Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs, and I wanted to come on real quick. We're working on the Graphic 45 Remnants Lovely Layers album, and I think this page was released today, and I was finishing, editing the rest of the videos and realized I never showed you guys how I made the whole reinforcements, the colors, how I came up with the colors for this. So I wanted to just really quick show you guys the combinations that I used for the whole reinforcements for this mini album. And I also literally just got the mug that I designed in the mail today. Check it out. Can y'all see that? So it was an experiment to see how this all worked because it's completely new. And so I'm thinking about it actually worked out really cool. So I'm thinking about designing some more things. Now I've got a better feel for how it works and some different products and things. So in case you're wondering where to find that, if you go to my channel and you're watching one of my videos, I press pause, but I bought it up on my phone, and you can see right there it says shop, and then it says Jenofeve Designs. So the only thing I have right there is the mug right now. So I just kind of wanted to point that out. They're so cool. I mean, I got myself two, one to drink out of and one to have in my craft room or in my studio. So I'm thinking about doing maybe a design a month or something. I don't know, we'll see. So anyway, if you wanted to get your hands on one, that's where you find it. So that just came in the mail today, so I was super excited. So let's get back to the hoe reinforcements. So here's my binder where I keep all of my colored hoe reinforcements, and I'm going to make 3 different colors. And these are the Avery reinforcement labels. I have a link in my Amazon for them, and I am doing the exact color combination because here it is in my workbook right there. So this was not my workbook, this is a bullet journal. So that's when I was planning the class. I wrote everything down so I wouldn't forget. Let me find something. What is this? No, I'll just use this piece of Tyvek right here. So there were 3 colors with this album, and one of them is literally just Distress Oxide Antique Linen. You guys pay no attention to my nails. They are so bad right now. I just have not had time to do them. So this is a new pad. Make sure I get some color on there. So all I did was I take the ink and go directly onto the hoe reinforcements here. And I kind of do it with a light hand. That way it's like not a solid color. It's kind of like vintage looking, So there are some reinforcement labels out there that are plastic and are harder to get the color on. So I wouldn't recommend those. I would recommend just doing the paper ones. So you can go as heavy-handed as you want, or as light as you want, or as many layers as you want. See, those are a little bit darker than the bottom. It's kind of hard to see because it's so light. But there's one of the colors. And then I'm just going to use the same blending tool for the next one. Get that off there a little bit. And then the other 2 colors, I was like, where's my blending tool? I started off with Frayed Burlap Distress Oxide. And let me get that on here really good. And so, woo, I didn't put that much color on there. That's a little dark, but that's okay. So you just want to kind of barely add some Frayed Burlap to the label first. So both of these next 2 colors started with Frayed Burlap. Okay. I think I'm gonna let them dry a second. Let's move that down a little bit. Can you see? There we go. So then the purple color, I then used Distress Oxide Wilted Violet. And let me get some color on there. I don't even know if this is the right blending tool. And then I just kind of went over it like this. And believe it or not, it does make a difference whether or not you use that frayed burlap underneath. because otherwise it'll just be that really super bright purple. So this way you have like a variety of hole reinforcements that are purplish, and this matches the collection perfectly. So there's the purple. So that's how I got that color. So that looks good. So we've got the light color and the purple color. And then the last one, real quick, is Distress Oxide Broken China. And that is the same. You just go over top. This is that blue greenish color. You just go over the top like that. And then that's that. So if I hadn't done the burlap, the frayed burlap first, it wouldn't have that vintage grungy look. Do you know what I mean? I guess you could have done it too with the antique linen, but I wanted the white, you know, the crisp white. So there are, not crisp white, I wanted a light color, is what I'm trying to say, not crisp white. I wouldn't have had to color them if that was the case. So anyway, so those are the colors that I used to make the hole reinforcements for the Graphic 45 mini album that we are currently making. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and hit this little button right there, and also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. And here's a link to my Etsy shop, and there should be some videos up here that you might enjoy watching. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.